Some people are going to grind their entire lives and still die absolutely broke. Not because they're lazy, not because of bad luck, but because nobody ever sat them down and gave them the real blueprint on how money actually works. And the scariest part? Most of them think they're doing everything right. If you're young, this might literally be the most important thing you hear all year. They don't teach this in school. It's not on your report card. But it will completely decide how your entire future plays out. Let's be real for a second, something most people won't admit. Being rich doesn't start with a bank account. It starts in your head. How you view money, risk, and your own time is either setting you up or low-key ruining your future. The gap between people who make it and people who don't isn't just luck. It's their literal mindset. It's the faster you lock this in, the more time you have to actually change your life. Wealthy Thinking's 10 principles these are. Now just listen carefully, gambling, leaving, and wanting to know the true principles? So let's go straight to Rule 1. Rule 1, stop trying to look rich. There's a trap catching millions of people every year, and social media basically perfected it. You see someone flexing a luxury car, expensive fits, or a crazy apartment, and you instantly think, I need that. So you spend money you don't have to impress people who literally don't care. Meanwhile, you're quietly going broke. Here's the cheat code wealthy people already know. Rich people don't spend money to look rich. They spend it to get richer. That person driving the flashy car, probably drowning in debt. The person in the basic ride, they're probably building generational wealth. Saying no to temporary flexes is a superpower. Every dollar you don't blow today is a dollar working for you tomorrow. Rule 2. Your skills are your real currency. Money can disappear overnight. A job can be taken away. A market can crash. But the skills in your mind, nobody can take those. The wealthiest people in the world are obsessed with learning, not entertainment. Not scrolling. Learning. When you are young, every hour you spend developing a high-income skill, communication, coding, sales, writing, problem-solving, is an hour invested in a version of yourself that the world will pay for. Most people choose comfort over growth. They watch another episode instead of taking another course. 5 years later, they wake up in the exact same place, wondering why nothing changed. Your skills are your real salary negotiation. Build them relentlessly. Rule 3. Time is more valuable than money. You can always make more money. You can never make more time. Think about that for a second. The wealthiest people alive guard their time like it is their most precious resource, because it is. They say no to things that do not move them forward. They are ruthless with distractions. They understand that one focused year can be worth 10 distracted ones, but most young people treat time like it is infinite. They waste afternoons. They delay the important things. They say, I'll start Monday every Sunday for years. One day Monday never comes. Do not let that be your story. Rule 4. Learn to control your emotions. This one is hard to hear. But emotional decisions are one of the biggest destroyers of wealth there is. Fear makes you sell when you should hold. Ego makes you spend when you should save. Jealousy makes you chase someone else's path instead of building your own. And impulse. Impulse spending is the silent killer of potential. Emotional intelligence is not just a soft skill. In the world of money and success, it is everything. The person who can stay calm when others panic, who can be patient when others rush, who can say no when everything in them wants to say yes, that person wins. Always. Rule 5. Your environment shapes your future. Jim Rohn once said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And as simple as that sounds, it might be the most underestimated truth about success. If everyone around you is comfortable being average, you will become comfortable too. If everyone around you is ambitious, growing, building, that energy spreads. It becomes your normal. Look at the people closest to you right now. Are they pushing you forward, or are they keeping you where you are? You do not have to cut people off overnight. But you do need to be honest with yourself about who is shaping your thinking, because your circle is quietly writing your future.